And okay, let's just close our lights. That's one area. Got our flashlight. Let's go check out some things. So our sister Jazz is in the bathroom currently. We didn't tell her that we're coming outside, but Maggie, stay here. Careful, okay? But we heard that noise, and she says she'll check it out, but I don't really want to wait for her. Is anybody there? Hello? Let's look over. God, I wish this flashlight was better. Shit. Ma. Okay, quickly had to... because the video quickly cut out, but it's all good. Is anybody there? So you said you heard something? Didn't Mama tell you not to get up here? Okay? You get up here again, I'm telling Mom. Don't get up here, okay? You don't know how to walk very good. Those are both of yours. Stay there. Ignore the badly tent, guys. It was nighttime. We didn't feel... Okay, you guys can see the light. God, I wish this camera was... Sorry, guys, I'm recording with my phone. My real camera is actually dead, and I didn't have time to get my actual camera, so... Yeah. Okay, that corner is always dark, so... Maddie, stay here. Hello?
Hello?
Where it is? Neighbors. Maybe he climbed up. Hold up, wait. Shit. Maddie, get back. Get back. Hold up. Follow me. Is anybody in their cars? No, nobody in the cars. And nobody in the truck. Is anybody in there?
Hello?
Jazz? You were fucking with us the whole time? We thought you were in the bathroom. We seriously thought you were in the bathroom. Did you go through the garage door while we were outside? Yeah. That thing makes a fuckload of noise. Look. Baba locked the door. Are you fucking kidding me?
I think it's stuck, Max. Come on.
Anyway, well, we thought somebody was robbing us, but I guess not. We're gonna go get the mail now. Jess, you still trying to fuck with us? I can see your shadow.
Yeah? Yeah?
I can see you. Not at nighttime, not at nighttime. Tag. Okay, guys, let's go get the mail. And we'll be there in 1 second. Okay, hold up. Let me check something really quick.
But then what was that noise?
It was Maggie. I mean, it was Jazz.